Welcome to today's video. Today we have an interesting problem to explore regarding Java and garbage collection. The problem presented involves a code snippet with inner classes and the surprising behavior observed when running the code in Java 8 versus the latest version, Java 23. It seems that there has been a change in how the garbage collection process handles instances of classes, particularly inner classes. Let's dive into the details and uncover the solution to this intriguing problem. In the solution provided, it was discovered that the change in the garbage collection behavior occurred in Java 18. The key insight lies in the new feature introduced in Java 18, where enclosing instance fields are omitted from inner classes that do not use them. This means that in the latest versions of Java, inner classes no longer hold a reference to their enclosing instances if they do not explicitly require it. This change explains why the instance of class A can now be garbage collected even when an instance of class B is still alive, leading to the different output observed in Java 23 compared to Java 8. In summary, the evolution of Java's inner class handling in Java 18 and later versions has brought about a change in how instances are managed during garbage collection, allowing for more efficient memory usage. It's fascinating to see how even subtle changes in language features can impact the behavior of our code. I hope you found this exploration of Java garbage collection intriguing and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!